Imagine spending nearly 19 hours on a plane, yep, the longest flight in the world, and somehow stepping off looking fresh, glowing, and flawless. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm putting my ultimate in-flight glow-up routine to the test to see if I can beat jet lag and dryness while flying for almost an entire day. Welcome back to Glowenvy, where we test beauty routines in the wildest ways. If you love skincare, self-care, and a little travel glam, hit that subscribe button. All right, folks, let's talk long-haul flights. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and preparation is key. Before you even think about setting foot on that plane, you need to pack like a pro. Hydration starts at home. Chug that water like it's going out of style. You want to board the plane already hydrated. Next up, compression socks. They're not the sexiest things, but they'll save your circulation on long flights. Now, let's talk entertainment. Load up your devices with movies, music, podcasts, whatever tickles your fancy. Trust me, there's nothing worse than being stuck on a long flight with a dead battery and the airline's questionable entertainment system. And don't forget a good book. Sometimes unplugging is the best way to pass the time and arrive feeling refreshed. Lastly, double-check your home security system. Make sure everything is locked up tight and the alarm is set. Now you're ready to jet set with peace of mind. Safe travels. We've touched down in the cabin, and it's time to transform this metal tube into your personal oasis. Rule number 1, hydrate. That dry cabin air will suck the moisture out of you. Ditch the sugary sodas and juices. They'll only dehydrate you more. Water is your new best friend. Drink water like it's the elixir of life. Don't be shy about hitting that call button every time your glass is even remotely close to empty. Those flight attendants might give you some side-eye, but hey, hydration waits for no one. And while you're at it, throw in some electrolytes too. Those little packets of magic will help your body retain all that precious H2O and keep you feeling energized. Keep that water flowing throughout the entire flight. Now that we've conquered the hydration game, let's talk about transforming your economy seat into a first-class spa experience. Remember those compression socks we packed? It's time to slip those bad boys on. Next up, let's talk skincare. Long flights can wreak havoc on your skin. Start with a gentle cleanser, followed by a hydrating serum and a good moisturizer. And don't forget your lips. Keep them from turning into the Sahara Desert with a nourishing lip balm. Now, for the pièce de résistance, the sheet mask. Embrace your inner skincare junkie and slap on one of those magical masks. It's the perfect way to infuse some much-needed moisture into your skin. Just try not to scare the passengers next to you too much. A little self-love goes a long way, especially when you're crammed in a tiny seat for hours on end. As we approach our destination, it's time for the final touches. Hit the bathroom, brush your teeth, and splash some water on your face. Now's the time to apply a little concealer to hide those pesky under-eye bags and swipe on some mascara to open up those peepers. A quick hair refresh can also work wonders. Take a deep breath, gather your belongings, and deplane like the glowing, refreshed superstar you are. You've conquered the long-haul flight, and the world is your oyster. Safe travels, my friends, and may your future flights be filled with hydration, comfort, and glowing skin. If you love beauty that works anytime, anywhere, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy adventure. See you in the next one.